Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today is a video related to the helps for the persons that are in need. I have a playlist for that. I already helped some people in this situation, but this new situation is very difficult for the person. So the person was from a certain point of the country here in Portugal, and he had a job offer here in the Nazaré area, or Nazareth as you can say, okay, on the center of Portugal. Very beautiful place, very beautiful beaches, and very nice. As soon as he got here to get the job, no job was available, no one answered the phone, and he is now with real struggle, living in his car. I do not know if he wants to reveal himself, but it is a very complicated situation, and I will try to help him out. The thing is, the car now does not drive because the clutch pedal is all the way to the floor, and I have a slave cylinder to put in there, and allegedly it has a fuel leak. To me it is an oil leak by the video that he sent me, but let's see what it is. Okay, here it is, the car, the Alfa 156, the 105 JTD engine, the first engine ever made, the JTD one. As you can see here, he lives there on the back of the car. This is very heartbreaking for me. It is a difficult thing to me to process, this feeling. I will try to do this the best that I can. I have here my tools, I have spare parts on my car if anything is needed, and I'll try to put some diesel on it without the customer, not the customer this time, okay, without the owner knowing. I want this to be drivable, air on the tires and whatnot, and I'll try to do the best that I can. Like I told you, with this channel I want to do so much more than just fixing cars. I really want to do stuff like this. I want to help out people, and this guy really needs a help. He really needs it. So did you see me here twist the pipe? Okay, it was very stuck together. It is very good. Usually they get bad over there. Do not know if the battery is good or not. I have to take out here the battery tray. For that, taking out here the relays. Let's try to do this quickly because we here in Portugal cannot work on a public area, on the roads. You already know it. 13 over there, there and there. 4 bolts. 2 10mm nuts over here to hold down the wiring bracket. Easier than take out the wiring. Down here a 10mm nut that holds down the airbox filter. Try to push it out in the way. No. So up you go first on that side. Make sure not to lose this. Some WD-40, better than nothing. Now take out here this clip. I hope I can. Yeah, it's free. Faster. Okay, faster. Now that one over there, the 13, I believe. And let's hope it will go out. Not really. Maybe like this. Enough space. I believe it is not all that stuck. I'd like to believe it is not all that stuck. You really have to be stuck, yeah? Yeah, very stuck. I need some shock. And I did not bring the hammer. Now the $15 ratchet to the work. I think it moved. It's moving. It's moving. Let's hope I don't break the bracket, the holder. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes. Ah. Wow, that's black. That's really black. A lot of ceramic paste grease. Start here by the hose, the pipe, to make sure it is not cross-threaded. Now this part over here, I already did a video for this, much more thorough. It is down on the description, okay? This part is always a little bit awkward. Okay. This paste it will guarantee, yeah, it moves about freely, and the paste will guarantee that the cylinder is not so stuck in the future. Now to bleed the system, doing here the bleeding, we already have, podes fazer, faz favor. We already have movement over here, which means it is good, it is nice. To do this bleeding, you have a window here on the battery tray, that's where over there. You do not need to take out here the entire thing to do just the bleeding, okay? Just the battery off and then do the bleeding. Every 40,000 kilometers or 2 years. The owner of the car was here for a moment. He helped me out here with the clutch and stuff. We talk a little bit, and obviously he does not want to be seen on camera. I completely understand that. I just left here this box of parts for the engine that it has on this car. Some parts that are okay, and they are what they are. Some hoses, this intake with the sensor, this manifold for the water, and some wiring, tubes, pipes, and some other stuff. Let's see here if the car starts. The clutch is already very nice, very smooth too. No diesel whatsoever. I have to put some, okay? So the code light goes off, which means the car can start. So let's see if it does. Yes, it does. Let's see the supposed, yeah, let's see an airbag light on, a passenger airbag light on. Let's see the fuel leak, if it has some. The car appears to be running great. I will go to the pump and do some air on the tires, some fuel. Guys, remember that this is possible, this video is being possible with your help. You guys are helping me to do this. Some old pipes, some old hoses, but I believe maybe like in there, maybe. Let's run the car a bit and see. Definitely a oil leak. I have to send a. No, this was me earlier. Okay, I have to send him a gasket or do it myself eventually. But it appears not to be all that bad. Not at all. No sun visor in here. Here in Portugal it's easy to find the passenger side one. The driver side one is the passenger side one. Ah, okay, I get it. So this belongs to there. In the driver's side is nowhere to be seen. That will be difficult to find. Also here this mirror is completely gone. I have to, guys, if you want to help me out, trace some parts for this car, give me a heads up there on the comments so we can try to find the parts and help this guy out, okay? What? I said I was going to put some fuel and the car clean in the wash. The paint is already a little bit nah, but okay. I have to order some new license plates. That's much more like it. This it has some play here on the wiper arm. Again, some license plates. This will go in. This is not from here. This is not from here. I pierced. Maybe. Very nice. Something is definitely wrong with the suspension. Remember that car that I told you about? There seems to have grease instead of oil inside of the shock absorber because of the age. It seems to be stuck, and the car behaves a little bit awkwardly. But as you can see, this beautiful view. This is a very expensive area. Very beautiful, very nice. It's really okay, yeah, but you can feel on the bumps, yeah, and it rubs too. But hey, it drives. It drives now, very nice. Just have to put some air on the tires because the air pump on that gas station was not working. Lots of white smoke. It appears to be injectors because I can hear the injectors click away when I accelerate hard. Maybe it's just injectors. I have 4 that I can send to be checked out and then replace with those. Yeah, I can do that. And I believe I have an exhaust leak because I can see the smoke over here on the side of the car. But not terrible. So I can hear it too. Maybe the flexible section of the exhaust or something. I think life is about good deeds. If you do good, you receive good. So I'm still waiting by my share part, but the future will tell. This video was possible with you. Yes, you that are seeing this video. It is because of you that I'm able to do this. All the small amounts of money for contributions from the AdSense and all that, it was that money that was used to make this video. It was used to put some fuel and whatnot. This is one of the things that I want to do with the channel. The freedom to be able to do this, it is the reason why I started the channel anyway. So I want to help out, really to help out the Alfa Romeo community. See you next time, guys. Bye.